Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ko Muhammad Firdaus bin Kumuzir. I am from class BEY S1/1, and today I am going to talk about my PBL project, which is Automatic Fire Alarm Detector. So firstly, I want to show you about my circuit. So this is my circuit. I am using 3 input and 3 output. But the 3 input is the flame sensor or the flame sensor. Secondly is the gas sensor, and the last one is the temperature sensor. Okay, as you can see, the flame sensor is used to detect the presence of flame or fire, and the gas sensor is to detect the presence of gas leakage such as carbon monoxide, and the temperature sensor to sense heat surrounding. Okay, so for the flame sensor, so the reference sensor I connected to the pin 9, while the gas sensor I connected up to the pin 8, and lastly the temperature sensor I connected to the analog input, which is A0. Okay, while for the output I am using 3 output also. The first one is LCD. This one is to display the kebakaran warning and the temperature. So the second one is the buzzer. Buzzer is to make noise to alert people. And the third one is the servo motor. This is PWM. Is just to change the direction, and LED. Okay, so let's see the situation. Firstly, for the situation is when the flame sensor detect the presence of fire, it is equal to 1, but and the gas sensor equal to 0 because no gas detected, and the temperature sensor is lower than 35, which is 23 degrees Celsius. So let's see what the output is. So here the buzzer will make noise, and the LCD will show smart home standby, and the servo motor just turn negative 90. LED does not blink. So that's it. So what if the flame sensor is equal to 0 and the gas sensor equal to 1? There is presence of gas. So let's see. Okay, the buzzer will make noise, and the LCD will show smart home standby. This does not change, and the temperature equal to 3. Okay, so let's see what if the flame sensor is equal to 1 and the gas sensor equal to 1, but the temperature still remain unchanged. So let's see what is. Okay, the buzzer will make noise, and the LCD will show kebakaran because there is resistance of flame and the gas, but the servo motor and the LED remain unchanged. Okay, now let's see what happen if the temperature sensor, the temperature is greater than 25. Okay, let's say the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So the output is the buzzer will make noise to alert people, and LCD will show kebakaran, and the servo motor will rotate to positive 90, and the LED will blink. So that's all for the circuit. Okay, now let's move to the flowchart. So this is the flowchart of the circuit. Firstly start, and this is the condition, when there are resistance of flame and gas, then the input, which is flame sensor and gas sensor, will detect the presence of flame and gas. And then this is the condition if nf equal to 1 and nm equal to 1. So I've declared this nf is equal to flame sensor and nm equal to gas sensor. So if yes, LCD will show kebakaran and buzzer will on, which is make noise. If no, LCD will display smart home standby and then end. But another condition is the temperature sensor. So if temperature is greater than equal to 25, if yes, LED will on and servo motor will on, buzzer will make noise and LCD will display the kebakaran. If no, LCD will display kebakaran and the buzzer will on, then end. So this is the loop. This for the flowchart. And lastly, for the coding, so firstly, I have used liquid crystal and servo and y.h. So I declare integer flame is equal to 9, integer gas equal to 9, integer buzzer equal to 7. So the void setup. Pin mode. So this is the pin mode, flame input and gas sensor input and the buzzer will output. Then I declare pin mode for the temperature sensor, 13 output, 0 begin. So this is void loop for the temperature sensor. I have declared temperature is equal to analog input, which is A0, and this is the formula temperature times 500 over 1024, 0 pin, and this is the I have used if this is the loop. If temperature is greater than equal to 25, LED pin 13 will high and the servo will rotate 180, and if temperature is less than equal to 25, the LED will low and the servo is 0. And then I declare integer nf equal to digital read flame and nm equal to gas mq2. So the condition is I'm using if nf equal to 1 and nm equal to 1. Okay. So LCD will show kebakaran and the buzzer will high, then delay. Else, if does not follow this, the buzzer will low and LCD will show smart home standby. So that's all.